lore in our games. Honey, I'ma tell you right, I know you have pain.
I know you're hurting, cause you're asking me to justify junk. But you're not to blame, it's the devil, stupid punk.
He's got a grip on your soul, and it's sad, cause it sounds like you know.
So what you gonna do?